Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from group 2.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm from group 2 want to present a PowerPoint entitled Pronouns. I am Putra Indrayana and my friend is Raihan Ramadan. Introduction. Penguin, they are 18 different kinds of penguins and they all live south of equator. The largest race are the emperor penguins, which live in Antarctica. They lay their eggs about 50 miles from the coast. There the penguins have nothing to make a nest out of, but the eggs cannot be laid directly on the ice, or they would freeze. The emperor penguins have to take care of their eggs in a special way. The female produces one egg as soon as she lays her egg. Male, the male penguin rolls it on top of his feet, coat of skin on the bottom of his stomach comes down over the edge to protect it from the cold. For two, for 2 months, the male penguins stand together to protect themselves from the cold with their eggs on their feet. They cannot move or eat. The female goes to find food as soon she lays her eggs. Finally, after 2 months, she returns and takes eggs from the male. The male penguins, the male penguins, which now has had no food for male take for 2 months, return to the sea. After the eggs he is had hit, the female and the male take turns carrying the baby penguins on their feet. When the weather gets cold, the baby is covered by the coat of skin, which keeps it from get warm. And exercise one next Ramadan.
Exercise 1. Number 1. Where do the emperor penguins live? Answer. Live in Antarctica. Number 2. Why do the male emperor penguins use to protect the egg from the cold? Answer. To protect eggs from the cold. Exercise 2. 1. There are no penguins on the North Pole. True or false? Answer. False. Number 2. All penguins live south of the equator. True or false? Answer. True. Grammar pronouns. There are 5 forms of pronoun in English: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and relative pronouns. Possessive adjective will also be included in this capture. Although they are not pronouns, strategy is the important to know the 5 forms of pronouns and the possessive adjective that are often confused with same error may include the use of one type or form of pronoun in place of another. A. Subject pronouns. You, the, we, see, it. The subject pronoun is used. A. When it is the subject of a verb. They live south of the equator. B. When the subject of the two clauses are complete. They are more protected against the cold than we are. C. After the verb to be is the with the a, and D. After as and then is not as tired as he in. And next, B. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. The object pronoun is used A. When is the direct object of a verb, she give him the egg. B. After proposition, when she returns, she takes over the egg from him. But when the preposition introduces a new clause, the subject pronoun must be used because the pronoun is now the subject of the new clause. He'll leave after she returns. C. When the object of the clause are complete in its easier from them than us. And next Putra Indrayana.
Exercise 3. He have. Number 2. She lies. Lie. And then left. Possessive adjective. May our, your, his, her, its, their. A. The motive a noun and so our nurture. They lie their age about 50 miles from the coast. B. To refer to parts of the body. The male penguins roll the edge on top of his feet. C. To modify a ground, we are surprised by their nesting in such harsh conditions. Exercise 4. She lies. Her age. Number 2. He has special fold of skin on the bottom of part stomach. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, mine, yours, his, her, its, ours, yours, theirs. The possessive pronoun is used to replace possessive adjective and nouns. She takes her throne and takes his throne. Two. After the verb to be the age he hears. Number 3. After the propagation of wind it me one of many. It is habitat of air. 4. The replace the second possessive adjective and noun when they are being compared. Their life seems more difficult than ours. Exercise 5. Number 1. It is an experiment of his home. Number 2. The a deal the penguins live in the cold climate, but the emperor penguins live in a harsher climate the damp there. Next, Rehan Ramadan.
Reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. The reflective pronoun is used A. To emphasize the subject noun or pronoun. It refers to and to emphasis the fact that the subject, that the action alone, he takes care of the act himself, or he himself takes care of the act. B. As the object of a verb, when the subject and object are the same, they stand together to protect themselves from the cold. C. As the object of the preposition, by when the subject did the action alone, the penguin chick is unable to get food himself. Exercise 6. 1. Penguin push themselves along the ice using their flippers. 2. To protect itself from the cold, the penguin has a layer of fat under its feet. Relative pronouns. The relative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, which, and that, who refer to people and household animals. Whom refers to people and household animal. It is used in the object position in formal written English or with who plus a preposition in spoken English. Whose refer to people, animal, and thing in show possession. Which refer to things, collective nouns, and animal. And that refer to people, animal, and thing. Exercise 7. Number 1. There are 18 different kinds of penguin which live south of the equator. Number 2. The biologist which who went to the South Pole is studying emperor penguins. And next, Indra Indrayana.
On the 12 text exercise from the four underlined words, our verses A, B, C, or D. Identify the one that is not correct. Number one, the penguin chicks cannot go into the water to get themselves own food until they have waterproof coats of feet there like their parents. Number two, balloon rise into their hour because they contain a gas was less dense or lighter than air. That's all for your presentation today and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Any question?
No.
Oh, not it. Okay.
Iya, udah di-record ya. Ah, Yan.